Hello, fellow traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room Discord server, where I stream my screen every day during the London session and during the American session, and where you can look at my screen, you can see what I'm doing. You can ask me questions, talk to me. We can have conversations. There is, absolutely no problem. Just please take some time to join in and ask questions or perhaps just let's have a chat. Okay, as far as today's DAX 30 market. Well, exactly like I said yesterday, we had to be careful because today was Friday, or still is Friday, at least where I am. It still is Friday. It is the last day of the week and the last day of the month. So basically, what has been happening during yesterday and today is that basically the market was building the upper wick of both the monthly candles and the monthly candle and the weekly candle, right? And we can see that clearly because the market reached some kind of a high yesterday, and that was the high of the monthly candle and the high of the weekly candle. And ever since yesterday, after a sideways movement, practically the market was going down, and then came back up a little bit, made like today made a new daily high, and then went down again, made a new daily low, and finished up somewhere in between. So basically, if we look at the average price, these lines, the blue line and the orange line up there, are the daily range. So they are calculated from the potential from the daily range average, right? Average daily range from 10 days. So basically from the last week and the current week. And and this is the middle line right here. So we can see that the market found some kind of a middle pivot and was oscillating around this middle pivot. And that's it. Basically, I did some trades today, but I decided to take it easy. I even got up earlier today than usual, and I definitely don't like trading before the opening of the London session. I mean, the market sometimes very behaves in a quite a jumpy way, let's say, right? But I decided to enter short right here. I entered short, and the market first went up and then started moving down. But this was exactly the those jumping jacks right here on the opening of the London session. So at one point I even had quite a lot of pips, but then again I decided to move my my stop loss to break even plus, and that's what I got there. And then I was watching the market go down, so I exactly was thinking in the same way like I showed you. I was thinking about the potentiality of the market going down to somewhere like these levels. You see that's where I was putting my take profits. So basically I was counting on that. However, I didn't want to risk too much, so I entered minimum lot, 0.1 lot, and I simply waited. I waited. I didn't do anything. I waited until the market took out my stop loss. Right. Well, basically, I should have put the stop loss much lower, somewhere around the middle line, practically. So yeah. And I turned around at 3 lots, and took a nice profit, covering my loss threefold, about. Yeah. Not really, but about. Oh, maybe even more than threefold. I don't know, because it's like this is only 0.1, and this is 3 lots. So this is the difference. This trade is what I call wishing. So in other words, we look at the charts, we get an idea, we put our stop loss and our take profit, and we wait. That's wishing. Now the other trade is making money. Simply jump in with the movement and make your money, right? Yeah. I made another trade, a small trade right here, but this one also got taken out on. It was like this. These candles were pretty. I mean, in this situation, these candles looked pretty big, right? I entered long here, and when the price was moving, I thought to myself like this. I mean, basically, the price was moving in a very choppy character again today. It wasn't smooth movement, so that means that there weren't very many ticks probably, and when the price started moving up there, I decided to. I mean, after this candle had closed, I decided to put my stop loss exactly at this mid price right here, thinking that either they will go up or not. Well, basically they took out my trading stop and then went up, and yeah. You see what happened, right? Now, seeing this situation, I thought to myself, okay, so maybe now they're gonna continue. So after this, I decided to go up, right? I decided to go long. Well, the same thing happened right there. The long was at 0.1. The market took out my stop loss, again wishing instead of trading, and I turned around at 3 lots and got my profit. Quick profit. So again, wishing, making money, right? Wishing, that was wishing, this was making money. That's it. Then I decided to stop trading. Well, you could say, were there any opportunities right here? Well, actually, yes. Actually, there were opportunities, lots of opportunities, because again, looking at it from this perspective, if we have some high level, right? Let's say we have this candle, and this candle is at the moment the high, right? So where is the continuation? Where am I? No. I was thinking about this. So yeah, this is the last candle in the trend. So where is the basically the continuation of long? That's the continuation of long, right? So in other words, that is the continuation of long. Now where is the first short? Right there is the first short, right? So in other words, the price has to defend this level as resistance, and then we have shorts, and basically this was from line to line trading, basically trading from line to line, right? Anyways, yeah. And the same thing basically right there. If this is the last candle, of the bearish trend. Of course, we don't know if it's the last candle of the bearish trend, but we know something like this. If it's the bearish trend, then the continuation of the bearish trend is down there. Now, up there is the up there is the bullish trend, right? Yeah, and up there is the bullish trend. So again, trading from line to line, and of course this is the end of the day. So I was looking at this market and I said, well, I mean, this consolidation doesn't tell us anything. Basically, the breakout of this consolidation will tell us something. So basically, this is the breakout, and now we will have to wait for retrace and continuation upwards. But yeah, the market has closed. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for today. So basically, yeah, that's it. Tomorrow is the weekend. After that, Monday is already a new month, June. So yeah. So have a nice weekend. Hope you have a nice weekend, a warm one, and well, whatever. I would like to say a calm one, but nah. Well, it depends on what somebody likes. Some people like it quiet. Some people like it noisy. Okay. So, anyways, as usual, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my Discord server and become my patron if you can. I have a little promotion right now going on. Anybody who becomes, an English speaker who becomes my patron at $5 per month will also get a VIP role on the Dada's room, on the Dada's Trading Room Discord server. So all the links are below in the descriptions. Thank you very much for today. See you next time. Bye.